Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Packlight backpacking checklist app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Packlight is a backpacking checklist app designed to help hikers, campers, and adventure travelers prepare efficiently for their trips. Instead of manually writing lists, Packlight builds packing checklists based on key factors like trip duration, weather conditions, terrain type, and activity level. It's available on both iOS and Android, allowing users to organize gear, essentials, clothing, and safety items in one streamlined interface. The app's main feature is its smart checklist generator. You input your backpacking details, and Packlight automatically suggests what to bring. You can customize the list by adding or removing items, mark items as packed, and categorize gear for better planning. It also supports saving and reusing lists for future trips, which is especially useful for frequent backpackers. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, accurate suggestions, and helpful organization tools. The app reduces the stress of forgetting essential gear and provides structure for first-time hikers who don't know where to start. Its ability to tailor lists for different climates and terrains is particularly valued by long-distance trekkers. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced features, such as multi-trip management and premium gear recommendations, may require a subscription. Some users also note that certain suggestions can be too generic, requiring manual adjustments. In addition, the effectiveness of weather-based recommendations depends on having updated location permissions and internet connectivity. In summary, the Packlight app may be worth using if you want an organized, customizable, and reliable backpacking checklist tailored to your trip details. However, if you prefer creating manual packing lists or are not interested in premium features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.